Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS8320 series printer to your computer or laptop, whether it's a Windows or Mac or Linux, doesn't really matter. In today's tutorial, I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS8320 support into Google. Best result should be a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA TS8320. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on this page, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. Scrolling down again, select the TS8300 series drivers setup package and the download button. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and then let this process begin here. And then select Start Setup, select Next, and then just allow it to locate the files it needs to continue with the installation, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.